Hey guys, welcome to our channel CAD Solution. Today we will learn about the sketcher in CATIA V5 software. So let's begin with the hook drawing. Go to Start, Mechanical Design and Sketcher. You can define name here. Click OK. Select any plane and select the option Sketcher. So this is our drawing. I'll start with the hinge point. Take a circle. Define two circles of any diameter. We will define diameters later on. So now select one circle, go to constraint and just simply click outside. To change the dimension, double click on that dimension. Now R45. So here radius is mentioned, I need diameter. So as the diameter is mentioned in drawing, so I'll mention diameters. Change radius to diameter option and then define diameter. Take a line, make it horizontal and convert it into the construction mode. Construction mode will be for reference only, reference entities, and it will be not considered as a part of the solid body. So define the dimension. Toolbars are now adjusted. Take a circle command. Take a reference of the center X and Y axis and go to the construction line that we have recently drawn and consider that as a center point and sketch one circle of any radius. We'll define it later. Go to constraint, give dimension, click outside, double click to edit the dimension. Again take a circle, take a reference of that construction line and draw one circle of any diameter, and the diameter will be defined later. Go to constraint, click outside, double click on dimension to edit the diameter. Right now I need to mention radius here, so I have changed the option to radius. Define radius and click OK. I need to position that circle. It is showing in white. White means not constrained. Green means fully constrained. So I'll define the horizontal dimension for that circle. Take line command and draw one inclined line. Take care that the line command is not taking any snaps of the other entities. So we'll define the constraint later. So go to constraint and define tangency to the upper circle and trim the remaining part. Tangency between upper outer circle and bottom inner circle. Again take a inclined line. We'll define constraint later. So go to constraint, give parallelism to previously drawn inclined line. So now define tangency to the bottom external circle, and wherever it intersect to the upper external circle, we'll keep it up to that circle only. Take a reference of that construction line. I'll extend that construction line. Take a circle, draw one circle on that construction line. Again another circle on the same line without any snap points of other entities. And now define the dimensions for the same. So go to constraint, define the dimensions to the circle, double click on dimension to edit the same, and now define the radius, both the circles. It is still showing in white color, so I'll define the horizontal dimension as well to convert it into the green color. You can take the reference of any green color entities, that means fully constrained entities, to define the dimensions to non-constrained entities. Select trim command, trim unwanted area or unwanted entities. Take a circle command. Now I need to give fillet of radius 32 mm. So I'll define the radius here. Again, I'll define the constraint, tangency to inclined line, and again tangency to the upper external circle. And I'll trim the remaining area, whichever not required. Drawing. That's it. So our sketch is ready now. If you want more dimensions, you can define. But if you give extra dimensions, then entities will convert into the purple color. That means it is over constrained. So make sure your drawing is not over constrained or under constraint. Thank you for watching the video. If you need more drawings for the practice, need any support, do join our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching.